What's up guys, Manny here, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to episode 4 of the CBX rebuild. And well, I have not much to update you with regards to the status of the CBX because well, as you can see, it's still there. Not much progress though, but we'll go into that detail. But first, I'll give you a quick tour of what's in stock here at the shop. Right. Okay, did some garage ikebana a while back, and what do we have here? We have the Honda VTX 1800. We've been following the channel. You have seen me, rebuild this earlier this year because I crashed this like sometime in March. Then had it fixed by my good friend Stephen Villamore. Shout out to Stephen Villamore, owner of Husky Servitech. And yeah, the bike that I recently reviewed, the Kawasaki KSR 110. Yeah, go check it out. And then here we have is a Ducati Hypermotard. This is like the first generation Hypermotard Ducati, owned by our friend Ryan Tanyu. Yeah, shout out to you. And then here's another bike that is a product of Revolt Cycles. This is a Honda Cub, done well street Cub style. Those are really popular these days. Well, they've been very popular back in the day. Yeah, also that bike over there, again, some other time. That bike is by made by Kevin, the owner of Revolt Cycles. He's my younger brother. That is a TMX125 bobber. That is for sale, by the way. And this is another bike that Revolt Cycles is currently working on. It is a Sportster 883, bored up to 1250, I believe, and it's done up Frisco style. No, Revolt Cycles do not do the chopper mod and the Springer. They're simply doing the maintenance, the servicing, and so on and so forth. So anyway, all right, tire machine. Yep, we have been having fun with the tire machine as of late. We recently installed Linus rear tire for his CRF 250L Supermoto. Here's a picture of him, with his big fat smile. And then did some garage ikebana or arrangement. If you don't know what ikebana is, well, you do your research. It's a Japanese word for arranging something, right? Yeah. And then tire racks, well, again, still empty, but I have inventory finally coming tomorrow. Just a little, just to start, just to start selling something. I'll be focusing more on the Supermoto stuff and the wheels. And yeah, we're gonna be getting like inventory, more inventory soon. And if you're wondering what those barrels are, well, those are barrels for fuel to be delivered to our other branch, which is located in Santander. Santander is the southernmost town here in Cebu. All right, okay, all right, CBX. Let's start with the gas tank. All right, so this is the gas tank. And this is a mess. This is going to be a big problem. Okay, we can turn on the light, show you what's inside, and it is rusty as hell. So what we did earlier was, I dropped the chain inside, put some gasoline, and then we shook this like crazy. And it's actually a great big workout for you if you want to lose weight and develop your arm muscles, your biceps, your triceps, your shoulders, everything basically. It's a full body workout. Try shaking a rusty gas tank filled with rust, put a chain, gasoline, and shake it like hell. All right, as for the bike itself, well, I decided to install, the rear part because, well, I just wanted to, have a look at it the way it is. Major update is actually with the brakes. Finally decided, to buy a decent pair of clutch and brake master cylinders. These are not for the CBX. This is a generic unit. This is supposed to be for a Yamaha NMAX 150. If you don't know what a Yamaha NMAX is, especially for my foreign viewers, it is a scooter by Yamaha, and it comes with these style of brakes for the back. This is supposed to be for the brakes, the back, and of course the front. So good thing this already works. Gamay did the job of bleeding this, and his next step is bleeding the front brakes. It works though, but it's still spongy. It has still some air in the system. And then once he's done with that, he'll be working on the rear brake master cylinder. Now again, I could not find a genuine or a proper replacement for the stock brake master, because the stock brake master cylinder for the CBX is actually really big. So I decided to go with Racing Boy. Now Racing Boy is it's a really good brand, reasonably priced. Bought this reservoir cap, and then we were gonna bleed this, and we installed it already. Just a matter of bleeding it, and then once all of this is set, what else? Oh yeah, I fixed the brake calipers, both for the front and the rear, and it was actually an easy job. It was actually very educational also. And if you want to work on your brake calipers, it's actually very simple. There are a lot of guides out there. YouTube has been very helpful with this. And then I fixed it. Good thing there was nothing wrong with it, well, except for some pitting in the piston calipers. But as what we have observed, it's still working. But we're gonna have to test that. Once this bike is, the gas tank's clean, once the brakes are okay, we're gonna take this out for a spin just around the block here in the compound, here in the gas station, and and we'll see from there, what needs to be done. But one thing is for sure, I am not going to repaint the CBX because I want to keep it as is. There's something about a 1980s motorcycle that has patina. It has character, in my opinion. Okay, it looks way better. It looks beat up. It has all that gunk and scratches and stuff like that. It speaks like the bike speaks like, oh, this bike has a story or something. I don't know. It's just my opinion. Yeah. Also, one reason why it took us so long, or for me to give you an update, because the last time I posted this, talked about this bike up, we were working on the starter motor, right? We rebuilt it with a XLR 200 carbon brushes, so I had to buy 2 of those, repair kits, and then it worked. But after a couple of times, of turning it on, we noticed the starter decided to, not work anymore, and then we took it out, inspected, and the carbon brushes that were there were disintegrated already. They were like chalk. So what we did was, gonna give it one last chance. I bought genuine Honda carbon brushes again for the XLR 200, and they're made of better material. And right now it's there. It actually starts way better as compared to the previous ones that we used. Anyway, that's it for the CBX. Hopefully I'll be uploading another video about this bike next week. Hopefully it will be running. I can take it out for a spin. But also I'll be working on the VTX because it needs some TLC. Again, VTX 1800. Awesome motorcycle by Honda. Sadly, it's discontinued already. That is the bike that I used for my first motovlog. Go check it out. It was like, first experience for me, first time. And it brings a lot of memories about my first time with the CBX. Not exactly first time, but first vlog. Go check it out. Anyway, if you have something to say, feel free to post in the comments below. And then, check out where I hang out, where I am, Jay's White Gas and Service Station. If you have time, I'm here, like, nighttime, mostly because I close the store. And it is a Friday today, and we close at around 11 p.m. or 12, depending on the number of customers. So if you're up for a chat, if you want to have a drink, chill out with me, feel free to do so. Hope to see you around. Anyway, bye.